Good day everyone, I'm Pessimis Curly and I'll be reporting control mechanism and limiting factors. Control means to exercise restraint or directing influence over a device or regulating certain mechanism. This science, which deals with control, is known as cybernetics. So what is cybernetics? Cybernetics is the science of communicating and automatic control systems in both machines and living things. Cybernetic systems are various kinds of automatic control devices, such as computers, human brain, biological population, and human society. Cybernetics embraces both the inanimate and animate controls. At its most basic, an inanimate means simply alive, while animate means not living nor moving around. So, example of it are servo mechanism, refers to mechanical feedback mechanism. The other one is homeostatic, refers to organic feedback mechanism. And the maintenance of healthy food pressure is an example of homeostasis. Homeostasis is the tendency of organisms to resist change and remain at equilibrium steady. This steady is relatively described as stable. So here is an example of servo mechanism. Stability is categorized into two kinds. They are as follows. First is the resistance stability, is an ability to remain steady in the face of stress. Here's an example of it. And the second one is the resilience stability. It is an ability to recover quickly in the face of stress. So here's another example of it. So we'll proceed now to the limiting factors. Limiting factors is an conditions that exceeds the limits of tolerance. Some examples of limiting factors are biotic like food, mates, and competition with other organisms for resources. Laws that govern limiting factors are as follows. The first one is the Levy's law of the minimum. States that when some progress depends on different factors, the speed of the process at a given time is limited by the slowest factor, may be either too little or too much or something. The second one is the Shelford's law of tolerance. It states that all organisms have certain ecological limit of tolerance in terms of requirements ranging from minimum to maximum tolerance of temperature, water, salinity, food, and habitat selection. So that ends my part. Thank you for listening.